I learned the hard way, how hearts shattered. Took my last breath caught in your laughter. Promises broken, like old records. Played it on repeat, had to know it faster. I wore my heart out, sore and tattered. Chased the ghost of what once mattered. You were the storm that left me ragged. Now I'm a sailor who's lost the baggage. I'm done with love, done with foolish games. No more dancing in the fire, no more flames. Draw my last line in the sands of time. Unchained from you, left the past behind. Used to dream that the colors bright. Now they're fading in the harsh daylight. Turn the page to a cleaner chapter. No more echoes of you to know it.